welcome back to my channel. So today I have some more cards using that Spellbinder's Christmas kit. And these are cards 4 through 8. And so here's one with celebrating together and use the house and some trees. And I'll put some these, some type of diamonds in the kit. And then this one, I did a tag with the flowers. And I put some gems in the center and on the side. And it says be filled with joy. And I put also a gem here in joy. And then this one I did, the die was a train set. And so I made a train and it would snow and this is special delivery. And then for my last card, this one there was some presents I made and some trees and it says Merry Christmas. And these are my 4 cards for this week. Until next time, like and subscribe. See ya!